Prepare to be blown away by the ultimate music-making experience with a mixer that lets you create tunes with the mere flick of a wrist, featuring 120 preloaded mixes and sound effects. Plus, immerse yourself in nostalgia with a retro-inspired speaker offering equal power and a plethora of connectivity options. These groundbreaking innovations are poised to revolutionize your music journey and ensure an unforgettable experience that resonates long after the beat drops. Zhiyun FIVERAY M40 Lite. Upgrade your visual game with the game-changing Zhiyun FIVERAY M40. Compact yet powerful at 40 watts and 14,000 lux, it's your portable brilliance solution. While it's outdoor-friendly with its IP20 rating, imagine its potential with added dust and splash-proof features. Dial in perfect brightness effortlessly with orange dials, though app percentage adjustments are desired. Even at lower power, enjoy soft shadows and ample illumination. With a 30-minute battery life, it's perfect for short bursts, but keep extra power handy for longer sessions. While lacking RGB, its adjustable color temperature suits most needs. Ready to light up your world? The Zhiyun FIVERAY M40 is here. Prepare to dive into a realm of revolutionary gadgets and awe-inspiring inventions. These remarkable tech breakthroughs are set to captivate your imagination and transform your perception of the world. RUKUSfx Music Mixer. While it resembles a VR controller, it's actually a cutting-edge mixer designed to unleash your musical creativity. With intuitive gestures like punching and swiping, it's a breeze to craft personalized beats. Packed with 120 preloaded mixes and effects, it's perfect for DJs of all levels. Whether you're jamming out solo or collaborating with friends, the possibilities are endless. Plug in your headphones or connect to your computer via USB-C to take your tunes to the next level. And with built-in RGB lighting, your performances will dazzle like never before. Trozk PD30W Power Bank. Picture this, a device with a retro charm, resembling a box with a screen akin to early mobile phones. But it's more than just a blast from the past. With a robust 10,000 milliamp capacity, it serves as a powerhouse power bank. However, it doesn't stop there. It also incorporates pager-like functions. Think of it as a modern twist on the walkie-talkie, enabling predefined message transmissions within a short range. Despite not being a full-fledged pager, it still offers practicality galore. Its informative display, showcasing output voltage, current, power, battery charge percentage, and battery icon, adds a dash of modern convenience. Yet, like any other gadget, it needs its share of charging to keep the magic alive. Wi-Fi Nugget. Imagine a gadget that's as cute as a Tamagotchi, but teaches you hacking skills in a playful manner. While it may not pack the punch of professional hacking tools, it's perfect for delving into the basics on older Wi-Fi networks. Learn the ropes of deauthentication attacks and Wi-Fi spoofing while enhancing your online security know-how. Affordable and effortlessly updatable with new software, it's a gateway to a world of cyber exploration. If you're intrigued by hacking and internet security and have a soft spot for retro vibes, this is the gadget for you. Hold on to your hats because not one, but two mind-blowing innovations are here to blow your mind. These incredible devices are ready to revolutionize your tech experience and redefine your everyday life. Brace yourself for a journey into the future of innovation. Muzen Wild Jeep Radio and Speaker. Embrace your outdoor adventures with music, courtesy of this rugged speaker. Inspired by Jeep, its military-style design promises durability. But it's not just about looks. Engineered for exceptional sound quality, it's praised by users like DLX Willington for its 8-watt power output. Plus, with Bluetooth and AUX connectivity, it's versatile. Whether you're camping or off-road, enjoy up to 10 hours of FM radio or 6 hours of Bluetooth streaming on a single charge. If durability and quality matter to you, this speaker is a top contender. Muzen Digital Super Radio 01. Introducing the Muzen Digital Super Radio 001, a vintage-inspired marvel amped up with cutting-edge features. With its robust power output, it offers seamless connectivity via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and 4G, ensuring you're always connected. What's more, its sleek screen provides clear, intuitive information at a glance. Whether you're just starting your audio journey or a seasoned aficionado, this speaker has something special in store for everyone, making it an absolute must-have.